that shine on me. Wish I could see what I see. Get rid of gravity. Dare to dream. I am scared to risk it all. Allow me to rise to the stars and high above. Might mean losing what I want to find a path to the sky. I'm hearing the echoes trying to guide me. They're leading me ashore to find a more. If it's different now when looking at the skyline. Start from tiny steps I take. The courage that you taught me to touch the galaxy, running fast to see. No more shadows shame my step. I could bring them to the stars. From the universe, we shall never be apart. Today we arise to the stars and high above. Follow the dreams that we have to join our paths to be one. We walk through the darkness like the light guide us. I'll take the final step to reach this far. Oh, it's so different now when looking at the sky.